In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a specific folder or file from GitHub. This is useful when you only need part of a repository instead of downloading the entire project. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. Open the repository that contains the folder or file you want to download. For a folder, open the folder and copy its URL from your browser's address bar. Now, open a new tab and go to download-directory.github.io. Paste the GitHub folder URL into the text field and press enter. The tool will now download the selected folder from the GitHub repository. Once the download is complete, open your browser's downloads and click Show in Folder to find the downloaded files on your computer. That's how to download a specific folder or file from GitHub. Thanks for watching.